as you all already know that UPSC ISS provides us with two objective type of question papers in which we only have 120 minutes for 80 questions to solve. So each question doesn't even get 1.5 minutes to solve. And above that, we have exam pressure on us. So what should we do and how should we practice or have quick answer solutions so as to attempt as many questions in the examination as we can. So here we are giving you a series on how to solve these questions with quick solutions in the examination so as to save your time on these kind of questions and so that you can attempt the lengthier questions much more ease and time. So one such question has been given on the screen with me. Here they have made us confused with not providing us that which the formula is about. They have just given the direct formula. Now, if you know the concepts behind this, or if you know Rangakutta method, then this is the formula of Rangakutta method. Now, how do we solve them? Now, how do we solve this Rangakutta method? We don't have to solve it. This is the direct implication of Rangakutta method, in which they have asked us to find out alpha, beta, and gamma. And we know that in Rangakutta method, the direct implementation of alpha, beta, and gamma are h by 3, 4h by 3, and h by 3. Just by looking at the question, we can solve these kind of questions only when we know that which formula has been used. They won't mention the exact formula, so this you have to recognize on your own, and with practice you can attempt for good marks in the examination. Now, if you want a series of this kind of questions to continue, you can comment down below, and you can also comment the topics on which you want the questions. Thank you.